Hey guys, today I'm gonna open this package and unbox the what's inside and review it and see the what it has on it. It's ANCEL FX1000 model scanner for a car scanner. So I'm gonna open this package, and this is just a review video. It comes in this manila package, and it has the actual box inside. Okay, so this is the box it comes in. It comes in a regular box. It's well packaged. This is the model FX1000 Auto scanner. It has a bunch of features on it. It's made in China, like most products. So let's open this up and see. Okay, it's in a hard casing, like a pouch. It's a strong, nice pouch, a storage for it. Okay, so once you open it, this is inside. This is software update download guide and how to set it up, and I think the functions. I think they have one more instruction guide in the bottom. It comes with this Velcro strap to hold it in place. It's a big scanner, as you can see. I have one of the latest Actron scanner, but I got this one to try it out because it has more features on it. Okay, so it comes with the USB charging wire and to download stuff, I think, on it. Let's see what else it comes with. Okay, so this is just the wire to connect it to the scanner, to your car data link. This side here, this side here, and this side is with these pins here, the male pins to connect to this side here, like this. So this one is removable. Some of them are just built onto this piece. And that's it. So it's pretty sturdy carrying case for it, and you can put like a carabiner or something on this side. Strap. And for the doesn't come with a booklet, just not too much information. Looks like it's straightforward to set it up. Okay, so this scanner here, it's like I said, it's a ANCEL FX1000. They make different brands, different scanning equipments, and it's a all system diagnostic scan tool, vehicle OBD2 scanner for car check engine, code reader for transmission. You can check your ABS, SRS, SAS, BMS, the EPB, the TPMS. You can reset, check some of the scanners. You can reset the oil light. You have to go through the settings on the inside the car. but this one you can reset the oil service light, the battery reset. You can reset the battery. Some cars when you change a battery you have to reset the battery light. And the audio system also, you can reset certain things on it. So it has the function of read and erase codes like most scanners. It retrieves your VIN number, VIN information. It reads the data stream, freeze frame. It can test the evap system. It can test the O2 sensor test also you can do on it. So it has a lot of features on it. You can do a lot with this scanner, and they have different model. This is the FX1000, and they have the FX 4 or 5000, I think. You can check them out. They have different they make battery tester, chargers, scanners, all kind of different equipments. So this was just an unboxing of the scanner. I'm gonna turn it on and show you also. Okay, so to set it up, you just have to connect this part here, which look like the old computer plugs that you put on the computer monitor and your printer, your old printer, and you just tighten this up, snug it up, just like this to this side. And this side you connect to your data link in your car port. I don't think this one comes with battery inside already. Some of them you have to put the battery in. Okay, it has some ports here, like you can put in a SD card here. You can charge it from here. You can charge it here. It has one here and here also to connect to your computer. USB and this other USB connection. So this is the on and on it. Alright guys, so when I plug it in to my computer, it turns on, and it comes with SD 16 gig card also is on the bottom here. So I'm gonna follow this instruction. I gotta go to their website, ANCEL, and select the model, and think what I have to download, log into the website. I have to create like a username and stuff like that, and download the software, update it and all of that for it to work. That's what it's saying here, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm on the website here, as you can see, and I'm gonna register the product. My computer screen is kind of dusty, so I'm on ANCEL, and I'm gonna register the product. Okay, so once you're registered, they're gonna send you a link to activate it through your email, and then once you sign in, you're gonna come here. That's my email. You can put a picture, your first name or whatever, your nickname, your gender, your location, family name, and all of that. So I'm gonna see what to do here, what to put. Okay, so what I did after I signed up, I had my state, city, and all of that, country. Then I went to download, and then I click select the model and the product, and then I'm gonna click here to download the update. And as you can see in the bottom here, I'm gonna open this and see. Okay, still downloading. And if you click on this box here, the drop down box, as you can see all the scan tools they have, different ones. Okay, so this is it right there. It's downloaded and in my files. I'm gonna click on it, see what happens. Okay, so once it's finished downloading, you go to your downloads and your files. You have to give it permission, and I'm gonna, this is the update 8.0, 8.0, and I'm gonna install this. Okay, so once I created my username and all that, now it's giving me this and it's downloaded the software. After this is put in the I put in the username, I have to put in the country and register it through their website, because the other thing I did was that was for me to register my name and stuff to sign up. Okay, so next step, once I finish registering the product, it's gonna bring me to this screen, which is the update. I can update, download what's available. This is the latest version, is 5.52. I can download it, update, and it's gonna go straight to the scanner because I have it plugged in. Okay, so it was updating and installing it, so now it's finished, and now it's saying no program found for new updates. Okay, and so that's the desktop icon I have for it. Just have to click on that to check on updates or whatever you want to do. Okay, so I plugged it in to my car. The data port is right here. You just plug it in and it's gonna turn on. So let's see what it says. It has the settings. Okay, so I'm gonna press I think that's the, let me go back. Not too sure how to work this, but it's not touch screen. Okay, so it has 18 languages. So let's, I think it's on English already. And you can set it the unit, the beeps, and LCD test, button test, record, go back. So I'm gonna select which vehicle I have. Toyota, ANCEL. Alright, so I'm gonna read the current trouble code. You can clear code, read the current data, read pending trouble codes, a bunch of different stuff here. And so let's read the code. Okay, so it's saying there's no code. Alright guys, so there you have it. It can do a bunch of stuff. I was messing around with it. It can read, it can graph, does graph, it reads the sensor, tells you if it's incomplete, all of that. You just gotta click on the OBD2. This is the OK, return, check mark, back, up, down, all of that. So there you have it. It's not heavy. It's a nice scanner. It's big. Does a lot. You just gotta read up a little more about it and learn how to use it. So if you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and I'll leave a link where you can buy this on Amazon or check it out. And I think you can get a $10 off also, or you can look up their products. So thanks for watching.